And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 106. Let me show you how the color dropper tool works. There are only two functions you can pick and you can assign, but you cannot assign without picking. So it's only picking alone or picking and assign. Let me show you how it works. I create two rectangles. The second one I make somewhat pinkish. I select the black one, use the dropper, and then I hover over the pink and left click. I can also hover over the white area and do it. When I do it on a grayish area, this is only a placeholder for transparency, therefore there is no effect. So this was pick and assign. So where's the difference now between that and just picking? Well, I go down here with the alpha channel for the pinkish one, then I select other one and I only use pick without assign. Watch what happens if I hover over the pink one and left click. We get the pink color, but the alpha channel is 100, and if I assign, we get the pink color and the alpha channel of 20. So that's the difference here. With assign, it also factors in the alpha channel, the transparency, and without assign, it will ignore that. Unfortunately though, you can't use it like for example in Photoshop, where you just left click and then you go outside of the window. So you can only sample colors from inside of the Inkscape window, at least in this current version. And in general, when you have problems with your color fill, always check the alpha channel and make sure to check the opacity. That's kind of like a common mistake that I make as well from time to time. You want to check these two values and bring them back to 100%, and then you get the correct color that the fill has. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.